Boom, da doom doom doom, 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 da doom doom doom. You might find yourself pouring water in a hole to deter your vegetables sweet from the moles. Then you might have an idea that's so sincere. Then you have to ask yourself, how did you get here? Letting the days go by, water flowing underground. If you can't go down, water flowing underground. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. We bust the fire hydrants, leave the water running on into the places where their pizza is on. From the fire hydrants into the sewer they drill. They can't handle it. Well, oh fucking well. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground. Water flowing underground. Water flowing underground. Yeah! Water flowing underground. You might find yourself living in a shotgun bus. You might find yourself in a maniacal fuss. Ask yourself, how did you get here?